Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I actually have an exciting video. Every video you guys ask me, oh, you should wear false lashes, you should do false lashes. And I always tell you guys in the comments, I am horrible. I mean, absolutely horrible at false lashes. But I was on Facebook and there was this ad that popped up for Moxie lashes or something like that. Basically, they're magnetic lashes and they have like magnetic eyeliner. And one of the girls in the comments was like, oh, well, Ardell has a cheaper version that works just as good and a fraction of the price. Because I think the Moxie lashes are like $80 to like $100. I'm like, that ain't for me, sis. But I screenshotted it because she showed a picture of it in the little comments. And then I went to Walmart last night and I got a pair. So these are the Ardell Professional Magnetic Liner and Lash. It says they're easy to apply, no adhesive needed, long-lasting, waterproof, paraben and latex free. And they're supposed to be really simple to apply. They're reusable, so that's good because they're like $15, so they better be reusable. And I got the style wispy. Like, I've never worn Ardell lashes before, but I heard that like for years that everybody loves the wispy ones. And honestly, I didn't even look at the style when I picked it, like when I went to Walmart, because like I was looking in the lash case and like I couldn't find them. And so I asked the worker, I was like, oh yeah, do you guys, like, I showed her a picture, do you guys have these? And she's like, oh, let me see. I like showed her the picture, like, oh yeah, right here. And she just picked a random box out. I know they have like different styles, so I'm happy she actually chose the wispies because I hear great things about wispy lashes from Ardell. So I haven't opened it or nothing. I'm actually really nervous. I watched a few videos on YouTube on how to like apply them, but like I said, I'm horrible at lashes. I just realized that it's easy as it seems. I pre-did my makeup. If you want to see this makeup look, it is gonna be on my channel, but I'm nervous. I'm excited because if these like work really good, like, and I'm not good at eyeliner either. I should say that, like, just as a warning. I'm not that good at doing eyeliner, but I don't think I'm gonna do a wing or nothing. So I'm just gonna try to. I already put on mascara. So when I was watching the YouTube videos, they say, I know there's directions somewhere, but you do 2 layers of eyeliner, and then you apply them when they're still like semi-wet, like tacky. So this is what they look like. Here's a black eyeliner. Magnetic gel eyeliner. So it looks like. You don't really get a lot, but I know they sell it separately. Here's a little brush it came with, which I think it should be fine. So like I said, I'm not doing a wing or nothing. And these are the lashes. I'm so excited. Let me show you close up a little bit better. So there's 4 magnets on them. I'm not gonna trim them because, ooh, they should not stick it down like this because they have it stuck to like this little, instead of having like a magnetic thing to stick them on, it's like little glue dots, and look, some lash came off. So I don't think they should have it like that, but whatever. So here's one. So apparently they're super easy to put on. I'm gonna try them. I'm excited. Let me get the other one off so I don't lose any of the lashes again. But I was excited when I heard about these, so I'm like, I'm really bad at lashes. So if there's something out there that could help me, you know, do lashes easy, I'm all for it. Alright, let's do the little eyeliner. I'm just gonna use their little brush that it came with. I heard a girl complain that it's like way too short to like do like a, but I think it'd be fine. I don't know why she thought it was too short. I don't know. But I heard that this line is really good, like even on its own, like it's like super black. But let's see. Let's see. You never know until you try it yourself. Like I said, I'm not good at eyeliners, so, and this is a cream eyeliner. I know a lot of girls didn't like that it was a cream eyeliner. I don't know why, but I actually like cream eyeliner. It's easier to control. But we'll see. I'm nervous, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna start off with this eye because I am right-handed, so it'll be a little bit easier for me to do it. I always pull my eye when I put on eyeliner. You should not do that. When I get older, my eyes are probably gonna be like, but I pull them like that. So let's see. Yeah, this brush is kind of dry. I see what she's saying. But it goes on smooth. Super easy to use. I just wish the brush was a little bit longer. I already put one layer. Let's try put a second layer. It's kind of sticky. So it's kind of hard to apply a little bit. Just a little hard. So that's the line. Ooh, it's black. I dig that. Like, I am like all for that. Okay, let me just try these. I'm like low-key nervous. I think I put in enough. Let's see. I'm nervous. I don't know how to do this. I'm not good at lashes at all. Let me try to like. This is gonna take a while. Let me try to just. Let me see. I have a little cheap little thing. I need something to help me with this. I'm not good at this, you guys. I know I said that a billion times, but like, it's true. I'm not just saying it to say that. Like, I'm not good at putting on lashes. Oh my god. Because I'm right-handed, so my hand blocks the mirror. Are you on? I think I need to put another layer of eyeliner. Let me try it again. Let's see. Maybe if I try to stretch my eye, like when I put on my eyeliner, I could do it. Let me see. So I can see my lid a lot better when I stretch my... These are cheap, like, shitty, like, things. These are not good. Let me see. Okay. this is real. This is from someone that sucked at lashes, so if it could work for me, it could work for you. Can't see. The heck? I'm not good at this, you guys. The other girls make it look so easy, like, oh, they just pop them on, but let's see. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's on. As good as it's gonna get. They look. I don't have them close enough to my. Ain't done. I don't know if I did it right. Feels weird. Like this because maybe because I don't wear lashes. Let me try my other eye. It would be surprisingly easier to do my other eye. I think they're on. That was a lot harder than I thought it was gonna be and a lot longer. I'm gonna try because I messed up on the gel eyeliner really bad, so I'm gonna try to mask it. I don't know if I can because this lash is way out of New eyeliner. I don't know, but this is the look. I'm going to have to use them a lot more to get used to them and to do them the right way, but that's how they look. I think they look okay. I could have did better. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's the Ardell magnetic lash with magnetic liner, and they look okay. It's just, I don't know. I feel like I put them on wrong because I'm not good at doing lashes in general, like at all. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.